Hi, I'm Andy Clone, Service Manager here at Ford Prineville. Let me take you on a tour of the shop today. So here's our shop. We've got multiple tire machines. We've got 6 large bays, plenty of room around them for working on trucks or any other big vehicles. We've also got an alignment rack over here. We're doing any alignment and suspension stuff that we need on our flat rack. Here we have our quick lube department with 2 bays. We're doing all of our regular maintenance. We can handle a high volume of traffic coming through here on a daily basis. We can also do tire rotations around the corner on our brand new flat rack lift. Here's our parts department with all the parts that we'll need for any of our service cars that are coming in. Thank you for joining our tour of our dealership today. If you have any questions about joining our team or you'd like to apply, click on the link below.
Kendall, let's start something great.